everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So again, I went to the Dollar Tree today, and the reason why was because my husband and I just wanted to get out and go drive around. Now, we were originally going to go to one Dollar Tree that was like about across town because he wanted to get food, but the place wasn't open in time, so I'm like, hey, can we just go to this Dollar Tree? The one that I go to usually, that's the closest to my house, I usually find some really good stuff, but every Dollar Tree is different. I have 3 to 4 favorite Dollar Trees in my area, and this one's one that I can always get some really good stuff, or if it's something that I'm really trying to find, I always end up finding it there. So I ended up getting a lot. I got some food items, and then I got some birthday stuff, so I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So the first thing I found, what I thought were kind of cool, was Hotel Transylvania fruit snacks. Benjamin loves fruit snacks, and I thought we watch Hotel Transylvania 3 all the time. I love this movie. I think out of all 3 of them, this is probably my favorite. So there's 10 of them in here. So I thought for $1, that's a great deal. I mean, usually sometimes when like the Kroger Pick and Save has their sales, you can sometimes get these for 50 cents. But I'm like, for $1, that is an awesome deal. So I was pretty excited to get him these, and he already had one when we got in the car. So I'm like, Benjamin, you've been a good boy. Graham's birthday is coming up in a couple days, so I wanted to get some stuff to decorate the house. I want to surprise him, just because we can't like go out for dinner for his birthday, and he's okay with it, but I have a feeling he's kind of like let down. So I ended up getting some happy birthday balloons, because I plan on like decorating the whole house or the whole main floor with some birthday stuff, so I'm pretty excited for that. So I ended up getting some balloons that say happy birthday. So I'm going to blow these up and put them all over the place. I'm going to hide these so he doesn't see them. When I went to the Dollar Tree the other day, he said he wanted dots, and they didn't have any. So I ended up getting him a couple boxes of dots. These are going to go in his little gift basket that I got him, because he told me he doesn't want anything for his birthday, and I'm like, okay, I won't get you anything for your birthday, but I'm a person who loves giving gifts, and he loves food so much that I'm like, okay, I'll give you some gifts, or I'll get you some food. And he saw the gift bag, like he saw it in the trunk, and I'm like, Graham, what's in there? He's like, I'm not telling you. I'm like, you looked in there. So I wanted to surprise him a little bit more. So I ended up getting 2 of these, just because, you know, he loves gummies. Like, gummies are kind of his thing. So I also got some Lifesaver Gummies. They didn't have the bags of these, so I ended up getting the boxes. I thought these would be a little treat for him to have. I got these. Now I might eat these for myself just because, you know, I'm really craving some gummies. So I ended up getting that. I was going to get him these, and I forgot to put them back, but that's okay. I'm keeping them for myself. He wanted some licorice. He really likes the Willy Wallaby soft licorice, and the Dollar Tree sells these, so I ended up getting him a bag of those. This is something that I am so excited that I found, you guys. Kool-Aid Gum. And it comes in tropical punch, cherry, or grape. So it looks like, I think it's probably sticks. 4 5-piece sticks. Okay, so you get 4 packs, and there's 5 sticks in each one. But I thought these are super cool to try. I love Kool-Aid. So I'm pretty excited. I might have to try this at the end of the video and see how it tastes. I love my garbage bag over there. So I ended up getting these punch balloons. I thought this would give something for Ben to do right now with everything like shut down. He keeps telling me he's constantly bored. So I thought, you know what, let's get him some punch balloons. You know, this kind of give him something to do. So there's 3 of them in a pack, so let's give him something to do, you know, to tie his boredom over. I ended up getting another bag of pretzels. We've been snacking on these over the last couple days, and I love getting, you know, name brand stuff at the Dollar Tree. So again, $1 for this. So I was pretty excited for that. And I wanted to get more food items. Now, I've always, I wanted to try their chicken broth. I don't know how well the broth is, but this is, you know, natural chicken broth. I thought, I'm going to get this. I'm going to make some chicken noodle soup. I'm going to make homemade chicken noodle soup, and I've never made homemade chicken noodle soup. And I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get these, because these are usually like $2 or something at the grocery store. So I thought, I'm going to try this, and they actually, I don't know if they have a recipe on here, but I'm like, you know what, the recipe called for 2 of these, so I'm like, for $1, we're going to try these, and if this broth ends up turning pretty good, I'm actually going to probably stock up on a lot of this, because I always make stuff where I need chicken broth, and for $1, it's totally worth it. I found 1 can of Pringles. Now these are not the longer cans that the grocery stores usually have. These are just a shorter can, so I got these for Ben. What I've been doing lately is portion controlling all of his stuff. He only gets a little bit here, a little bit there. So I thought these would be good little snacks for his, you know, taking. I wanted to get noodles because I want to make homemade macaroni and cheese, and I probably will make that this weekend. Because the grocery stores that I've been going to, they don't have what I want. So I'm like, okay, let's see what I can make. But I ended up getting just the regular Barilla Elbows. These are probably like $1 or something at the grocery store also. So I thought, I'm going to get these. This is like the one noodles that I don't have. I have all the other noodles, but I don't have like the regular elbow noodles. So I'm going to get those, or I got those to try. Now this store the store that I usually shop at usually is the only store that had the craft square in my area. Well, then I looked online, and this store that is closest to my old work just got a new craft store or craft section, and I'm like, sweet. And I was there a couple weeks ago. I don't know. Yeah, a couple weeks ago. I don't remember. And they had a lot of the stuff that I was looking for. So I'm like, okay, that's the reason why I wanted to go to that Dollar Tree, because I'm trying to find certain craft stuff that I'm looking for. And I'm in these groups, and these people are going crazy over all this stuff. And I'm like, okay, I don't need this and I don't need that. But I ended up getting these adhesive cork sheets. I ended up getting 3 of these. I thought I can use these definitely for something that I want to do. If I plan on making coasters or something like that, I thought these are cool for coasters. So I ended up getting those sheets because that'll be something that's perfect for me to use. So I ended up getting those. Now, this is something that I've seen in people's pictures, and I'm just like, I want one of those so badly. They're little mini palettes, you guys. Like, aren't these the cutest little thing? And I thought, I've seen people like make stuff out of here, and I'm like, oh my god, I think I might turn these into coasters. Just because I think they're kind of cool. I was gonna like paint them up or do something with them. But I was gonna use these as coasters and then possibly either put some cork board on the bottom or something. But I thought these were so cute, and the store only had 4 of them, which is exactly what I wanted. Right now with our basement, you know, kind of being put together, I thought it'd be kind of cute. It'd be kind of cute to have, you know, some of these to be coasters. So I thought these are so adorable. I just love them. I think I have yet to find these, and I've been searching for these for months. But I think those are the cutest. Like yeah, you don't know how excited I am over these coasters. Like, that's just how much I love these coasters. Okay, so Ben's been playing with magnets like crazy lately, and I saw this mega magnet. Now I'm really trying to cut back on toys for him, but I thought this would be something for him to kind of, you know, play with. So I don't know. Yeah, it does, you know, it's not super strong like some of them are, but I thought maybe he could have a good old time with this for $1. I thought, you know, be worth it. So him to do some, see what, because he always walks around the house and he's like, is this metal, is this metal, is this metal? So I thought, you know. And then I saw this arrow, and I thought this could be a project for Ben. He is hardcore into coloring, painting, all that stuff. So I was thinking of having him do a design however he wants, draw it, color it, paint it, whatever he wants. And then I was going to put his name with the Cricut Machine label on it, and then I was going to have him just hang this on his door. I thought this would be a good little project for him to work on, you know, so he can actually do a lot of that stuff. I'm in the middle of making wreaths, you guys, and I started it yesterday, and I actually ran out. I did not think ahead, and I don't know why I didn't think ahead. Probably because I made a tablecloth wreath before, and I only needed 1 of each color. But this one I'm using a whole lot differently, and I just did not think ahead. So since I'm like, okay, I need another black one, so now I have 2 or 3 black ones. I can't remember, but I needed another black one for my project. I'm doing, you know, the red, white, and blue, so I needed another red, white, and blue for that wreath. So I got those. And they had metallic ones, you guys. They had like really silver ones, but I heard those are a lot harder to cut because the thing's a little bit thicker. So I don't know. I was gonna maybe look into that some more. But then I also got another white one just because I needed it, because I'm doing a black and white one also. And then when I walked in the store, I needed Mother's Day cards. I didn't even think about it. And usually Graham and I really don't do Mother's Day. But I'm like, I'm going to at least send my mom and my mother-in-law a Mother's Day card. So I got one that just says, Happy Mother's Day. And I always get like 2 of the same ones. And I'm like, no, I got to give them differently. But this one just says, wishing you joy, love, happiness on this special day. So I thought that would be cute. My mom's birthday is 5 days apart from Mother's Day, so I thought sometimes I gotta give her a double thing, and I kind of wanted to send her like a little package. So we will see if I don't know, I might send something to her. And then this is another one that says Happy Mother's Day, wishing an amazing mother a wonderful day. So I got that for our parents, or our mothers. But other than that, that was my haul. I didn't go like crazy overboard. I got stuff that I really wanted to do, and I really wanted to find some stuff. The store I went to the other day was totally sold out on a ton of groceries. This store was fully stocked on groceries, which was awesome. If you guys have used this broth, let me know. Use in place of water when steaming vegetables. Use in place of water when cooking mashed potatoes. Is this like watered down? I don't know. I don't know, but we're gonna try it. So let me know what you guys think, but I'm pretty excited, you know, to make some more meals. So you'll definitely have to see some DIYs. There might be some stuff that you guys do, but this is stuff that I am learning how to make, because I am like, I don't know, I want to cook more meals. I want to cook more of a variety of stuff and all that stuff, and all of a sudden I am super tired. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys, so I want to give you guys a quick update. I opened one of the Kool-Aid packs like right after I started filming, and inside I opened one of them and it's all grape. Now I don't know if it's like a mystery, so you don't know what you're gonna get, but they're not the greatest. Would I buy these again? No. I kind of get like this bad cardboard taste to it. Okay, so this one's blue. I gotta spit this out somewhere. What did I do with my paper? The grape is just, yeah, and it will lose its taste. I mean, I felt like instantly putting it in my mouth, I felt like it was just gross. So I'm excited to try the I like grape, but I'm not a grape person. I like cherry or tropical punch. So we're gonna try this one. You can really smell, it's really, you know, it's just like a regular stick of gum. I like the tropical punch a little bit better, but it is a very bland taste. You can really taste those like citrus taste. But would I buy this again? No. But it feels like it's gonna fall apart. This one's a lot softer than the grape. The grape I had to really like chew. This one's like super soft right away. I don't know. It's up to me. It's up to you guys. If you guys try these, and let me know. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick taste test on this. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye-bye.